If your hair has never been thick, if your hair has never been long, I bring you good news because too much shedding, excessive breakage, that is what is causing your hair not to be thick and long. The more you shed, the more your hair breaks, the more your hair remains scanty and stuck at same hair length. But if you're able to tackle shedding and breakage, you will be on your way to the healthiest, long, natural hair. This is a banger. I bring you yet another herbal hair growth spray that can tackle your grays. If your hair is not dark, if you've got grays, this will over time darken your hair. Don't joke with this recipe. This recipe is one of my favorite, the best of them all. So grab a jar like so, make sure it is clean, make sure it is sterilized. The first ingredient is fenugreek. Fenugreek helps moisturize dry strands, reduces breakage, and makes detangling way easier, especially if your hair tangles just from looking at it. Fenugreek can do the magic. So with this fenugreek, you will be able to withstand shedding and breakage. And that is our first ingredient. And we are measuring that in 1 tablespoon. Moving on to the next ingredient, we have black tea. If you don't have this black tea, please feel free to use your Lipton tea bags. That's also black tea. I want you to pay attention to the benefits of these herbs that we are using for today's video. Black tea promotes hair growth and minimizes shedding. The caffeine and antioxidants in the tea helps block DHT, that is a hormone linked to hair loss, and stimulates blood flow to the follicles. To measure this, we are using 1 tablespoon of the black tea. Measure that out and then pour into your jar. If you're using tea bags, you already know how many tea bags you're going to use. So our third ingredient is henna. Henna promotes hair growth primarily by strengthening strands, minimizing breakage, and improving scalp health. Its active Lawson pigment binds to hair keratin, thickening the shaft, preventing split ends, and resulting in longer, fuller hair over time. I told you that this recipe is a banger. For this henna, it is going to darken your hair over time. If you consistently use henna, your hair is going to be overly thick and dark. Some of you would ask, Dima, why is your hair this dark? Do you use dye? I use henna and I use hibiscus a whole lot. Our next is green tea. Green tea promotes hair growth and reduces shedding thanks to EGCG, a powerful antioxidant that combats oxidative stress. EGCG can naturally inhibit dihydrotestosterone, the hormone responsible for pattern hair loss, while caffeine and catechins improve scalp blood circulation and stimulate hair follicles. For that, we are going to be using 1 tablespoon as well. Transfer everything into the jar. Even a layman knows that green tea is powerful and green tea is great for hair loss. So take note of all these ingredients. We are not here to play. All these ingredients are very important. Sometimes some of you, when we share DIY hair, you love to improvise simply because you don't have the ingredients. Trust me, if you're able to get all these ingredients mentioned in this video, guys, if you try this particular recipe, you will come back to this channel to thank me. So pour about 500 ml worth of hot water to the jar. Allow to steep for 12 hours. Listen, only 12 hours. Do not exceed 12 hours. Do not ferment this. I keep on shouting this on my recipes. Please strain after 12 hours. Then transfer into your spray bottle. Here is my spray bottle. See how clean it is. Don't use spray bottle from maybe a used product without washing it properly and sterilizing. So I'm using a very clean bottle. What you have in your bottle can affect the product you introduced. So be careful. In order to spice things up, you can drop some essential oils in this spray. This will further elevate the potency of the spray and also give it some nice scent. You can use peppermint essential oil, lavender essential oil, tea tree essential oil. I highly recommend these three essential oils. They are amazing. I love them so much. You can add them in 5 drops each. If you have one of them, just use it. If you have two, three of them, go on ahead to use it. So shake the bottle very well to combine all the ingredients. Use this for your hair and scalp. Use it to moisturize your hair. You can use it as a tea rinse. Do not get tired of using it. Use it consistently for 1 month. Before you start using this, make sure to take photos. One thing about you guys is that you don't even know when your hair is growing and when it's not growing. When you take photos, you'll be able to bask your progress. If you take photo today before you start this recipe, when you come back after a month, you will definitely see a difference. That's how to know whether your hair is growing or not. And not just to be blind and saying that your hair is not growing. Are you taking pictures? If you're not taking pictures, you will never know whether your hair is growing or not. I've been able to document my hair progress, my progress from 2020 to date. The difference is clear. It's even some of you who would come to the comment section telling me, Dimma, I have been watching you from 2020. Your hair has increased. Your hair is better now. Your hair has grown thicker. Your hair has grown longer. That's because I've been documenting. You can't just stay without documenting your progress, taking pictures, and think that your hair is not growing. Sis, your hair is definitely growing, especially if you're part of our crew here on this channel. If you've been following our DIYs, guys, I've gotten a lot of feedbacks that when some of you still complain that you have hair issues, I begin to wonder, are these people with us? Are these people really with us? So guys, document your progress. Sometimes you think that my hair is short, not knowing that my hair is very long. Shrinkage can be can fool you. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next shortly. Bye.